weight while eating your favorite dessert? Well, the answer to that is absolutely yes. And in this video, I will tell you exactly how. Hey guys, this is Khushali and welcome to Healthy and Khush, a channel dedicated to sustainable weight loss and healthy living. So before we get started, I would like to tell you something about myself. I have lost over 25 kgs in the last few years and I'm still moving forward in my weight loss journey. Having said that, I also absolutely love sugar. I don't think I can go a single day without eating something sweet. In all of my weight loss journey, people have constantly been giving me advice. And one of the most common things I heard was stop eating sugar. I was like, yeah, sure, that's okay for you to say, but for someone like me, that's not possible. I mean, I need to eat something sweet every day. But I gave it a shot. I tried, I went off sugar, and every time I did that, I ended up overeating and having a binge. And I realized that this is not the way it's supposed to be because I repeated this cycle 100 times over. But now I think I have finally figured out a solution for myself, which I would love to share with you guys. But before we get to the solution, let's try and understand where the problem really is. We live in a world where we're constantly surrounded with a weight loss conversation. You meet a friend, she lost a ton of weight because of intermittent fasting, you want to try that. A week later, a colleague in office lost a lot of weight because he was juicing for his wedding, and then you try that. I'm giving this from a personal life example. I have done all of this and I actually know a lot of people who have done this too. But is this really right? I mean, what we're trying to do, and can you really continue to be sane while doing all these crazy diets? What all these crazy rules do is make us form an unhealthy relationship with food, and sugar is invariably at the top of the list. So, with sheer willpower, you decide to go off sugar because that's the right thing to do, but eventually the cravings will set in and you will end up binging on it. And if you continue to be on this cycle, there is no way you can lose weight. So then, what is the solution to lose weight while you eat your favorite dessert? Well, the answer to that is calorie deficit. The only way to lose weight is by being in a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is when you're consuming less calories than you're burning. In this state, your body ends up using stored energy, which effectively leads to weight loss. There are more than enough studies proving this, but I'm going to give you 2 examples. I have also listed them in the description box below so you can check it out. The first study was done between 2 groups of women. Both of them were kept on a calorie deficit diet. The first group of women followed a high sugar diet where they got around 43% of their total carbs calories from sucrose, whereas the other group got only 4% of their total carbs calories from sucrose. What was observed is that both these groups lost weight, effectively proving that sugar had nothing to do with weight loss. The second example is of a man who lost over 56 pounds by just eating McDonald's burgers, purely because he was in a calorie deficit. Well, by no means am I saying that you can go out and only eat junk food while you're trying to lose weight, because sure, the number will go down on the weighing scale, but your health will also get affected. But the point that I'm trying to prove here is that you can continue to lose weight if you're in a calorie deficit, irrespective of the foods you consume. The main thing to remember is that sugar is not what makes you fat, but it is the quantities that you consume it in. To create a healthy calorie deficit while eating your favorite foods, there are a few points you should remember. The first and the most important point is no restriction. Please ensure that you do not restrict your favorite foods, or as a matter of fact, any food groups. Because what this leads to is us forming an unhealthy relationship with food, which eventually ends up in a binge. So do not follow those crazy rules around food and stop demonizing any food groups at all. The no food rules brings me to my second point, which is moderation. Just because you don't have any food rules to follow or you're not restricted doesn't mean you go crazy eating a particular food. Please ensure that you're consuming everything in your diet in moderation. The third point is to be selective about the food you eat. When you have the option to eat whatever you want, it is much easier for you to say no. And that is something very important. Please ensure you are super critical about everything you put into your body, and this becomes much easier when you have your eye on the goal. The last point, which I believe is the most important, is maintaining your calories and macros. If you want to lose weight, you cannot do that by not making sure you're in a calorie deficit. So ensure that you're eating in a calorie deficit and consuming most of your calories from natural and whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, pulses, etc. Of course, you can have the rest of the calories from absolutely whatever you want. Another thing to remember is try and hit your protein macros on a daily basis, because this ensures that your weight loss is healthy and you don't end up losing too much muscle in this process. These are some of the things that have helped me lose weight while enjoying my favorite ice cream and moving forward in my fitness journey. If you are having sugar cravings and want to learn how to deal with them, I have created a video around that which I'm going to link above to check it out. If you found this information helpful, please do give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment box below and I will most definitely get back to you. If you are interested in more health and fitness related content, subscribe to our channel. Till then, have a good time and I will see you in the next video.